Hello my fellow candle makers, it's Hannah from ProCandleSupply.com. Today I wanted to take a minute to share with you some of our newer waxes, jars, and fragrances that you can find at ProCandleSupply.com. It's been a while and I'm always trying to get you the best products possible for the most affordable prices possible. First though, I want to show you two new jars we just got in. We have a 16-ounce clear straight-sided glass jar as well as a 9-ounce straight-sided amber glass jar. They both look really nice with gold lids. This one has wax in it, just for example's sake. This is a 16 fluid ounce jar that holds approximately 12.5 ounces by weight of wax. These come in 12 packs and are ideal for a larger size candle that can be added to your candle line. It's a nice size candle. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it's a great size for cubic shipping. Next is the 9 fluid ounce amber jar that holds approximately 7 to 7.3 ounces by weight of wax. This is one of the most popular selling jars right now. The amber jar with the gold lid looks really nice, very sleek. Lots of candle makers are using a brown craft paper label and the product turns out great without much effort at all. This size is nice because you can offer a 3-pack, so you can do a couple different things. You can offer a 3-pack variety set of your best-selling scents, or you can offer 3 of the same fragrance, and they're the perfect size for very large rooms or entertaining spaces because 3 of these candles will do a better job of filling a huge space with fragrance, as well as providing much more ambiance. And again, these are just some of my personal opinions. I hear and work with a lot of different large and small candle companies, so I try to share what's going on in the industry as a general rule. You should always put your own spin on things, but it's nice to have an idea of what direction large brands in the industry are moving in. Next, I wanted to touch quickly on 2 of our waxes that are popular right now. We have the Coconut Apricot Luxury Wax, also known as Sita Serica, and the Coconut Soy Luxury Wax, also known as EC26. They're both sold in this slab form, and they're a nice creamy white color, but we packaged them in these fun purple bags. The Coconut Apricot Luxury Wax includes coconut, apricot, and a small amount of food-grade paraffin wax to help with the wax performance. It has a great glass adhesion and it leaves a very nice, smooth, glossy appearance. The Coconut Soy Luxury Wax also includes a small amount of food-grade paraffin as well for the wax performance too. This wax has excellent fragrance throw and it burns very evenly. These 2 waxes have become very popular in the candle making industry for luxury candle lines, and many sellers call this a luxury wax, but this is really just a buzzword. All of the waxes we offer are from huge reputable companies and they're very good quality waxes. You don't need a luxury wax to make a luxury candle. If you're formulating and crafting a high quality, great smelling, nice looking product, then you're going in the right direction. Both of these 2 waxes are very good candle making waxes. And if you want to be competitive and offer the same as others, then by all means, do it. That being said, some of the biggest candle manufacturers in the country are using 464 if they're just using soy wax. It really just comes down to your preference and how you find it best to formulate your candle. I always recommend trying a variety of options and see what works best with your customers and your candles. Don't get caught up in buzzwords. Luxury wax, luxury jars, luxury this, luxury that. I'm just trying to be upfront with you and help support you in your candle making journey as much as I can. Okay, lastly, I wanted to talk briefly about some of our newer fragrances. We just got in 11 new fragrances that you can find on ProCandleSupply.com. Some of my favorites are Mahogany Teakwood type for a more masculine scent. Coffee House, this has been a huge hit. Who doesn't love coffee? Lots of great feedback on that. Black Cherry Merlot is a personal favorite because it has just the right amount of sweet and sophisticated. Almond and Honey is very warm and inviting, and Balsam and Cedar type is perfect for the fall months that are coming up quickly around the corner. You should also check out Shooting Stars, Nectarine Blossom and Honey, Ocean Cypress, Kentucky Bourbon Butterscotch, Peony and Freesia, and Wild Mountain Honey. I typically use around 9% fragrance load for a strong, hot, and cold throat, which is a question I get all the time. When you're first learning how to make candles, using 1 ounce of fragrance per 1 pound of wax is easiest for learning's sake. But once you get a hang of using scales and you get more comfortable and you want a stronger scent throw, I typically use 9%, which is around 1.44 ounces per pound. And I think that's about all that I wanted to cover. As always, feel free to reach out to me and send me a message directly at procandlesupply.com. Just scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and hit contact. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. I'll catch up with you later.